Welcome to Word Easy English channel. Today's story is
Homework That Changed My World.
Aga was a quiet student in a new school. She sat in the last row of the classroom, drawing stars in her notebook while others chatted and laughed. English was still strange to her, full of words that felt like locked doors. One morning, the teacher, Miss Bloom, gave the class a special assignment. Your homework, she said, is to write 5 sentences in English about school. Make them yours. Aga's heart sank. She had never written a full sentence in English before. That night, she stared at her paper, the words school, student, teacher, classroom, homework written at the top. She didn't know where to begin. Just then, Leo, a classmate with a bright smile, messaged her through the school app. Need help? I'm not great at spelling, but we can try together. Aga hesitated, then replied, yes, please. They worked side by side, Leo with words, Aga with pictures. They laughed at mistakes, cheered at small victories. For the first time, homework felt less like a test and more like a bridge. The next day, Aga handed in her paper. Her 5 sentences were simple, but full of heart. School is where I try. I am a student who learns slowly. My teacher is patient. The classroom is warm. Homework helped me find a friend. Miss Bloom read it aloud. The room grew quiet. Then someone clapped. Then another. Aga looked up and smiled. From that day, the classroom changed. Students helped each other more. They listened. They tried. And Aga? She started speaking more English, not because she had to, but because she wanted to. Because sometimes a little homework can unlock courage, friendship, and the quiet magic of learning.